Okay? Never try Breville before or Flair. Let's try number 5, alright? Let's try and see. Well, 5 could be good enough. Okay, let's try number 5. Alright, you're going to be using about 17 grams of coffee, that's all we need. Sorry that I don't believe on 20 grams using Flair. 17 grams. That's what we always have. I'll be using only distribution tool. If I were to have only distribution tool, this is what I'm gonna do, okay? And it's about right, okay? "40 seconds. I'll go for 3 bar. And after that, I'll ramp it up slowly to 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this time I'm using size 6. Same thing. Distribution tool only. Wait for about 40 seconds. It was 5. 5 was a bit too hard. Now I'm going for 6. 17 grams of coffee. I'm going for 3 bar. After that, I will ramp it up slowly to 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, start my timer. Fill up the chamber with 100 degrees Celsius soft water. I'm using the grind size 7 on the Breville. 40 seconds. I'm going for 3 bar. After that, I'm slowly going up to 6. 7, 8. Okay, grind size 8. Same thing, 17 grams, only adjustable distribution tool. 40 seconds, I'm going for 3 bar. When it hits a minute, I'll ramp it up slowly. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I hope it's gonna be a good shot. Never had the feel before. Using 17 grams, I'll be stopping at 34 grams of coffee. Alright, 34 grams.